morning. It's our last day in India today.
Our last full day. Tomorrow we head to Sri Lanka. Our host in the homestay that we're in he's really nice, really friendly. He smiles immediately as soon as he sees you. I was chatting to him about local area and trying to explore and find food and some of the historical stuff. And he's given me kind of a good rough idea of a walking tour. So we are about to head off on that.
Hoping we'll find some street food, our last little taste of Indian.
Yeah.
And just really explore the local area.
And we're definitely going to stop at a pharmacy because I think I'm developing Gem's cold. But other than that, we don't really have any plans. It's a really cool area, it feels really nice here. So I'm sure whatever we do, it will be quite a lot of fun.
I'm a little bit sad to be leaving India.
Yeah, it's been great.
I really enjoyed it.
It's been really good.
And plus, it looks like it's going to be raining in Sri Lanka.
So let's enjoy it while we can and go and find some exciting food.
Yeah. Apparently Alex needs to go to this gym to get up.
This is what I mean about this place being really quiet. This is a relatively busy street, and compared to other places in India, it's really quiet. There's a few tuk-tuks, the odd motorbike, but in general it's really quiet. It's got greenery all around the town. It's a cool place. I'd definitely visit Kochi. Put it on your Put it on your list if you're coming here.
Places we've been. There's still traffic here though. Alex has gone to feed his drug habit.
Beecham's and Lemsip at what, £4-5 a time. 39 pence for exactly the same thing in India. We walked down the street this morning that was suggested to us. And we didn't find quite as many places to eat street food as we were expecting, but we did find tons of fruit and veg stalls, and the smells were amazing.
It's safe to say it smells a lot better here than when we first arrived in India in Varanasi.
Yeah, far more pleasant smells than our first few days in India. Now we're in a place called Spice Market, where there's loads of spice shops. So now we've gone from like fresh fruit and veg smells to really nice fresh spicy smells.
The spices aren't out on the street though, so it's not as photogenic as I was hoping.
No, we'll try and get some shots if there are some spice stores, but the smells are really, really good.
But first of all, I need a cold drink.
Yeah, cold drink. It's really hot today. So this is what we were talking about. Why we think this is called Spice Market, because these are sacks of dried chilies. There's like a huge pile of them, and the smell of chili is like ultra pungent. They're bigger than Gem. Seriously, the smell of chili is so strong. Like even the guys lifting them off are having to cover their faces. I think it's probably because it really catches in your throat after a while. But it's amazing. I think I understand why they call this place the Spice Market.
o'clock, but we finally found the street food, and they have curry on the menu.
So we had some sepuri. Now I've ordered, this is samosa chaat, which is basically just like diced up veg samosas with various sauces, a bit of yogurt, some red onion, and these things, I forget what they're called. I think they're made from corn, but they're like crunchy things just all over the top. Little squeeze of lime juice. Like most street food, it's like really, really tasty.
We've had a really nice afternoon exploring Fort Kochi, but it's just started to rain.
And we've got some stuff we need to post at the post box. So we need to get home, get that sorted, and get back to the post office before it shuts.
And get our cameras out of the rain, because mine is definitely not waterproof.
Something we probably should have mentioned before actually is, we've been talking about Kochi and how we feel about it, and actually we're only in Fort Kochi, which is a slightly more historic area.
Yeah.
So this is going to be our last meal in India.
We didn't want to be disappointed.
No, so there is a lot of other stuff around, but we decided that the food was really good yesterday lunchtime, so we've come back to where we had lunch yesterday. There's loads more stuff for us to try on the menu, so we're going to go for that. We found the street food that we wanted at lunchtime, so hopefully this will do the trick. Dinner was really good, it didn't disappoint. That's our last proper meal in India, and I'm glad we came here, because coming here yesterday we knew it was going to be pretty good, so good meal.
So if you're coming to Fort Kochi, highly recommend Sutra, we'll link it below. They do Tex-Mex food as well as Indian, and I think there's pretty much something for everyone in here, so yeah, definitely give it a go.
It's very nice. On that note, we hope you've enjoyed our adventures in India. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave us a comment, thumbs up, and we will see you in Sri Lanka. Seriously, I can't walk and hold this between my legs. It's really good, didn't disappoint. We knew it wouldn't because we ate here yesterday. It was really nice. I got a mosquito on my nose.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Do you want to do that again?
Yeah.